Hey guys, welcome to another weekly vlog. I'm Colleen Alicia. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. So today it is Thursday. As usual, I'm gonna start vlog on Thursday, one thing. But anyways, I'm going to the crocs store, going on the road right now. I'm going to the crocs store to get my son a crocs because tomorrow is crocs and socks day. Him have a crocs, but him have it from Wapikil fill up, and my been for change it. I'm never get around to it. So I'm gonna go for the crocs store, go get him my crocs, and come right back. That's it, that's all. This is the fit. It's been raining, so I just have on a little cropped hoodie and my favorite jeans and this bag and a black sandals. I'm still showing it properly. Hope you guys are having a great day, great weekend when the time comes and all of that. So let's go.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 of my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to.
Hey guys, good morning. It's Friday. Happy Friday. So today is not much of an eventful day. I'll be home working. I don't know, I normally work on Friday, but I never go and go this week. So I have some reports to generate and I have some work to do, you know, what should I do from end of the week, but as I'm saying, I never go and go. So I'm trying to finish up those today. So I'm gonna probably work a full day today. I'm also doing laundry, and so this is what I am doing. I am working plus watch Chrissy work. So I also have a wig soaking. Let me show you guys. I want to install this wig today. No, not gonna get to do today because it's not gonna dry. So I have to install it tomorrow. This is the wig. I put it in warm water and silicone mix enough for going to soak and do it like a thing. So when that is done, when we take it out of that water, I'm just gonna rinse it and put it on the line so it can dry. Yeah. I want to install it for tomorrow. I have a date tomorrow with my friend. Yeah, my friend, a date with my best friend, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna install it for that. I'm gonna see what I'm going for my head right now. That's not cute, that's not keeping, so we can't have that. So I have that for the wig. I still a wash, I have to clean up because the house is a mess. I know I have to do a weekly cleaning and whatever. So Chrissy always get me through watch Chrissy work. She always gets me through my long days with her long vlogs. I can really appreciate them. So that's what I'll be doing, just watching YouTube and finishing up my work, then finish up the laundry, then put the wig on the line, then take this out and wash my hair, then clean the house. Then that will be it for today. I think I'm not cook today. I'm not cook today. I'm not cook today. People Chinese food or something. But yeah, that's the plan for today. I see I have none else. But tomorrow now I have to install the wig. And I have other things to do. I need for camera son got a baba today. So it's just a whole lot. So I'm gonna finish up my work and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Hopefully I can be finished with these reports in like 3 hours, because honestly when I look into things, I don't have all day for do this. I have so much things to do, right? Yeah. So let's do that and then I will see you guys a little later. Okay. Hey guys, good morning, happy Saturday. So I just got out of bed. Well, not just but kind of just. I've been watching Selling Sunset for probably the past half an hour, but my member said I have things for you. So I washed the hair yesterday as I told you guys, and it's dry now, so I'm gonna have to customize it all over again because I don't know, lose the part, everything. So I'm gonna get that together and then I want to wash my hair and so that I can get it installed. So I got this flat iron from Amazon. It's gonna be linked in my Amazon storefront below. My friend loaned me hers because I have another Revlon one, but my friend loaned me hers and it's similar to this. I think hers is purple. I'm saying, no girl, I have to go get one of them here because it eats up so nice and it gives nice curls and flat out the hair nice or whatever. So I just recently got this. I'm going to be using it on Becky today. And then the back of the wig kind of bit damp, so I'm going to just blow dry it a little bit. And then I have this, the pat comb, so I can, you know, do what I need to do. And I'm going to use a wax stick to get it together in the front. So let's start on that and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us, because I will put something on after when I look into things. So guys, I'm done with Becky. See, use the wax stick and do up this, so and then take out the baby hair them. I'm gonna just get some preliminary curls, you know. But you know when you go up on my head, I have to curl it back. But that's what we're working with right now. I need to go and wash my hair so I can get it installed. Alright guys, so I run late as per usual. So I just got out of the shower. I have my towel. Now I'm not gonna stay too long on that clip here in my towel because I cannot with YouTube. So I'm gonna do my makeup. Now I'm gonna do it on camera. When I'm done, I'm gonna let you guys see it and everything. Then we're gonna pick an outfit and then we're gonna head out. So we chose Saffron. So my friend and I, we made a long list of all the restaurants that we want to try, and every month we're gonna put it in the shuffle app or the shuffle thingy on the internet and let it pick a restaurant that we're supposed to go to. This week we're going to Saffron, which is an Indian cuisine restaurant. So that's where I'm getting ready to go. Simple, cute, nothing serious. Just a simple setting. There's nothing too over the top or whatever. So I did my lashes today, by the way. They lasted a week, the last set. So now I'm gonna do my makeup as I said, and then we're gonna get ready. So let's get into that. All right guys, so I just got done with my makeup and this is how it's looking. So now I'm gonna comment below and let me know what you guys think about this. Be it no eyeshadow as usual, but now I'm going to pick out my outfit. Well, I picked out my outfits already. I picked out 2 outfits, so I'm gonna choose one of them didn't take my picture in already, so more than likely I'll lead toward the next one. Just real simple and cute. That's how we're keeping it tonight. So let's get into that. I think I did a good job on my face today. And then after I pick out the outfit and put it on, I'm gonna curl my hair and then I'm gonna be ready. I think I'm on good timing. It's almost 7 and we're supposed to leave at 7, but I don't think I'm doing too badly with the time. Nice, simple and cute. So let me go ahead and get my feet on and then we'll see from there. I can show you know. So I want a leather dress and some Gucci sandals. So let's go. So guys, excuse the lighting, but this is the dress. What you guys think? Really cute, really simple, nothing to it, and see, just nice and sexy and cute. But yeah, that's the dress. I'm going to wear these sandals and I'm gonna do this purse. So this is the vibe. Oh look, oh look, oh look. So let me just go ahead and curl my hair and then we'll go ready. So guys, I'm ready. I'm about to go. This is a finished look. I don't know, for some reason my hair isn't keeping the curls, but it's okay. It will have to work. Simple and cute. This is the bag. This is the sandals. So alright, so I'm gonna leave out now, so I'll see you guys when I get there, okay?
Yeah, I find why I get it, why you need me. I know what you like. I feel it something. Tell me something, yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to get better. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Just me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. I must say it was a night very well spent. I really had a lot of fun tonight. So we left out to go to Saffron, as I told you guys earlier, but we ended up at Oceano. No, so guys, that table at Oceano was a chore because today is the University of West Indies, or one of them university, the graduation. So everybody was out with their family and friends. And then, you know, November is a month where a lot of people were born in. So there were a lot of birthdays as well. And we did not make a reservation because we never really did that thing. Say, this is what I keep, really and truly. So, went to Saffron, they were full. Went to Fromage, they were full. We say, we got every restaurant over Marketplace. We got every restaurant over Marketplace and they're full. And then while we were waiting on the drive, something happened and we said let's go back in. I went to this place called El Jefe or El Jeff. I don't know what it's pronounced, but we sat in there. Then the waitress came and gave us the menu and she gave water. And then my friend was like, make a check down at Saffron if them have availability now. And she go down there and then them end up, she called me and said, oh, she not have availability, so I get a table for 2. Guys, shame I kill me to get up and come out to L, whatever the place or name, for go down the ocean. So you see when me take up my bag, because she left her bag, so you know, I take up my bag and take up her bag and I head out. But say I don't even look behind on me. But anyways, all in all, ocean was great. The customer service was okay. The food, mwah, chef's kiss. Their sushi rolls are top tier. It tastes so good, right? So I had that. I had the clear soup with chicken dumplings first. Then we had the sushi to drink. I had a mango, something like that, or island mango or something like that to drink because I wasn't in the mood for any alcohol tonight. And then we had, well, I had the crispy chicken teriyaki with fried rice, and my friend had mashed potatoes with some pork belly thingy. Yeah, so that was what we had, and I would say it was a night well spent. We wanted, well, my friend wanted to go to the club, but I'm just not a club girly anymore. Like, more officially out of my club girl era, my party era. I'm out of it, so I'm not interested in that anymore. Just take me to restaurants, take me to hotels, take me on trips, me that. But the party thing, I think I've done enough of that. Yes, I'm back home. I'm about to take my makeup off and take a shower and go to bed. So I think I'm going to close the vlog off here because tomorrow won't be much of an eventful day. I'll be just preparing my son for school next week, doing some work that I need to finish up for work so that I'm not too, you know, overworked next week and all of that. So let's just close the vlog out here. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Remember that we are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you can, please share my channel with someone, your friend, your family member, anybody. Subscribe on your next phone, subscribe on your laptop, subscribe on your TV. I really would appreciate it. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers before December, or by December, or before the year ends. It's far-fetched, but I think we can do it if we, you know, put in the work. So I'm trying to be consistent with these vlogs and giving them to you guys every single week. I think I've been doing good so far. So just to reward my hard work with some subscribers. But anyways, guys, that is it for this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next vlog, and I love you guys. Bye bye.